Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will have a look into how to swap a variable. We are likely to encounter cases where we need to swap the values of two variables. One way is to use an intermediate variable to temporarily hold the values. What does it mean? Let's have a look into the example. Variable A is storing the string Iron Man. Variable B is storing the string Spider Man. I am using a third variable C to temporarily hold the value of variable A and then assigning the original value of B to A and then retaking back the temporary variable C's value back to B. Printing A and B results to the output over here. As you can see, the value of A has clearly assigned to Spider-Man and the value of B is clearly assigned to Iron Man. This way is kind of tedious and old school. Python provides a much better way for swapping. Let's have a look what does it mean. In the next example, I have the same variable a and b as we saw previously. Instead of creating a temporarily variable c, I am simply writing a comma b equals to b comma a. Printing a and b is resulting to the same result as previous. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, do hit like the button and do subscribe to stay tuned for new videos about Python. Thank you.